I've read tons of comments where people complain about not getting the results after perfectly following their workout plan. Well, there isn't one simple answer to it, but a bunch of mistakes can be found in your routine. In today's episode of Genius Insight, we'll be discussing top 8 mistakes that deny the results you deserve, exclusively on Genius Insight. Let's get started. Number 1. Negligence about stretching. The first mistake is not giving your body a proper stretch. The best way to preserve your range of motion over the long haul is to stretch out regularly. Stretching works as a complement to your workout program. Number 2. Not taking a proper rest. Work as hard as you can, but give your body the time to recover and heal. For a workout to be effective over the long haul, you must get sufficient rest. Give your muscles the time to recover in order to grow them. Number 3. Being inconsistent. People often hop from one workout to another, wanting to try everything, but it's better to create a proper fitness routine and stick with it, as consistency yields the best results. Number 4. Getting too comfortable. We are all creatures of habit and feel most comfortable when we are in a routine. However, in order to optimize your performance, make sure you are not just consistent with your routine, but also consistently challenged with that routine. Number 5. Ignoring your water intake. When you exercise, your core temperature rises above normal, which places stress on your body. Drinking fluids keep that stress at bay. Proper hydration also helps lubricate your joints and reduce inflammation too. Number 6. Exercising on empty stomach. Avoid training without proper food and energy. Just make sure you time your food intake properly. Eat something more than 45 minutes before your workout. Number 7. Underestimating foam rolling. It increases the flow of blood and oxygen to the muscle tissue, which accelerates the healing process. Ideally, it should be done both before and after a workout, as it improves mobility and flexibility. Number 8. Overtraining. In today's all-or-nothing society, it's not uncommon for new exercisers to overdo it straight from day one. Don't force yourself too much or you might end up with an injury. That was the video, guys. If you enjoyed that, please leave a like and comment to show your love and support. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that icon for the notifications of our latest videos. Thanks for watching. Remember, keep your inner genius alive.